Hello world, and in today's video we'll learn about methods, more about string methods. So let's take a new file and I'll name it as 9_string_methods.py. Excellent. Now let's take a variable. So I will just take a. It's a very simple variable. I'll zoom in a and assign the value as, let's say, skills. Okay. Now before, what are methods? So methods are similar to functions. They just need an object to run. So before that, let's see some functions. So let's see print a. In this case, print is a function, and I'll run this and show it to you how this works. Okay, so pi space 9 tab key, enter. So it says skills. Next was type. So this again, I know this is a bit repetitive, but type of a, and we'll check this method as well, or this function as well. Okay, so it belongs to string. Next, so this is the new one. So this is length of a. So I can just say length and a. So it will just give me the length. So it has to be 6. So it will give the length as 6 because it is made up of 6 characters. Next, let's say print list of a. So if you want to convert a string into a list, you can directly use the list function. So I'll run this and it gives me the list or the array which has these characters separated by a comma. Now next is, let's print max of these characters, which alphabet or which letter is maximum. So max of a, just save this. So in this case, S is the maximum character. It did not give capital S because it will always give the lowercase s first. Let's say minimum of this. So print minimum of a. That means it will, according to alphabetical order from A to Z, it will tell me which is the lowest character. So S. Excellent. Now I'll give you one more thing. If I just write this as lowercase s and run this, it will give it I as the least or the minimum character. Now give me the answer of this. If I write cafe and save this and now run. So what will be the minimum character? Will it be A? Will it be C or what? Okay, let's see. So in this case, if you look carefully, space is the minimum character. So whenever there is space, it will be the minimum character. So you have to remember that. So I'll just take another string now. I'll just write Gaurav, that is my name. Okay, is awesome. Thank you. Okay, I'll just comment this out. Now we'll learn about methods. So what is method? Method is something which requires an object and which is similar to the function. That means it is pre-written. So let's see one. So you'll have much better idea. Print a dot lower. So what will happen is, I've written S, O, A and G as capital or in uppercase. So it will convert everything into lowercase. So let us just save this and check. So it will print Gaurav is awesome. Yes, I am. Okay, similarly I can just have print a dot upper. So Gaurav is awesome. So everything is in capital uppercase. So now what is happening? This method over here requires this object. So in this case, the variable a, which has this string Gaurav is awesome, becomes the object on which I can apply a method called as upper. I believe you're understanding this. So let's see a few more. So there are lots of methods, but you don't have to remember everything. There's everything in the documentation of Python, but still these all come handy. So let's say replace. If I want to replace, so what should I replace? So I can just have anything. I can replace anything with something else. So here this will have 2 arguments in it. So first is what I want to replace. So I want to replace is, and is, was, and will be. So I'm replacing is with is, was, and will be. Let's save this, go here and run this. Gaurav is, was, and will be awesome. Okay, that's a lot of self-obsession, but that's fine. Print a dot. Now I can have find as well if you want to find a particular character or particular alphabet. So let's say I want to find is. So I'll just save this, go here and run. So it will tell me the position of is, so it belongs to 7. So again it will start counting from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Space is 6 and this I is 7. So if you're reading a book or something, you can just type the name of the character, and it will search it for you. Let's do split. A dot split. Split, if I just write a dot split, it will by default split it with space. So I'll get 3 objects over here. So Gaurav as one, is as another, and awesome as another. So let's save this and check. So I'll have Gaurav is, and so I get 3 different objects in the form of list. If I want to split it with a particular, let's say particular argument, so I can just write, if I want to split it with, let's say I want to split it with I. So I'll just write I over here. Let's save this. So I have only one I over here. So I will have 2 arguments, Gaurav and space as one, S space awesome as another. So I'll just run and show it to you how this will look. So this will have Gaurav and space as one character or one object, and S awesome as another, because we are splitting it with I. So you can split it with anything if you want, like that. So these are some methods. We'll be seeing more methods in the upcoming videos. For now, I think this is enough. You don't have to memorize everything. Just knowing few of these will be very handy. So like, share and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.